Hello friends, welcome to Hike Branding YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create a contact in Keap CRM along with an opportunity using Zapier. I will also demonstrate how to use the Zapier interface to create a form, and we will use this form to collect lead information. Additionally, I will walk you through how to use Zapier's Webhook tool to send an HTTP request directly from Zapier to create an opportunity in Keap CRM, because currently Zapier doesn't offer a built-in action to create an opportunity in Keap CRM. Okay, so let's get started. Before we begin, here is what you will learn in this tutorial. So first, how to use the Zapier interface to create a form and use it in a Zap. Second, how to create a contact in Keap when the form is submitted. Third, how to create an opportunity in Keap CRM after form submission. Fourth, how to use Zapier's Webhook tool to send an HTTP request. Okay, so let's start with the first. So first I will design a form using Zapier interface. Okay, so I have already logged in my Zapier account. Now here you can see in the left side there is a link interface. So when I click on interface, then it is redirecting to the interface page. Now here you can see there are some templates which we can use, but I will show you how to create a form from scratch. Okay, so here you can see here is a form, table and Kanban showing. Now I will click on this form. Okay, now here you can see a pages section. So I will click on this page. Okay, now here you can see a dummy form with one input field, email. Okay, so I will modify this form and I will add some more input fields. Okay, so let me first select this heading and let me remove this text. You can use markdown to design any content or any heading here at the top. Okay, I will only going to add some input fields in this form. Okay, so email is already added, so I will add another input fields like first name, last name. Okay, so click the form, select the form, and here you can see there is a button add field. Okay, so I will click on this add field, and here you have to select the type of the field. So I will keep the type of the field short text, and here in label I will write first name. Okay, you can also give a placeholder to this field, so I will not use placeholder, so I will keep this blank. Now I will make this field required, and here I will click on insert field. Here you can see the first name field is inserted into this form. Now go back. Now I will add one more field which will be last name, and make this required and click on insert field. Now I will insert one more field which will be phone field. So here in type I will change it to phone number, and here in label I will write phone. Default country I will select India, so this is India. Now I will make this required and I will click on insert. Now here you can see phone field is also added in the form. I will insert one more field which will be the message field. So I will select the type to long text, and here in label I will write message. Okay, now I will make this field optional, so I will not tick this required. Okay, now click on insert. Now here you can see the message field has been added to the form. Now go back. Now here I will arrange the field, so I will drag this first name to the top, then I will drag this last name just below the first name, and then email, then phone, and then at the last message. Okay, so the form is ready with a submit button. Now here you can see this is a link of this form, so you can embed this form in any web page, or you can directly open this link in any browser or anywhere you want. Okay, so let me copy this link, let me open in a new tab. So this is the form you can see here. Okay, so form is ready. Now let's come here and go back to Zaps to create a new Zap. Okay, so here I am in Zap page. Now here I will click on create and I will select new Zap. Now first I will select the trigger, so I will select the interface trigger. Okay, so whenever this form is submitted, then only I will create a contact and an opportunity in Keap CRM. Okay, so I will select this interface in trigger, and in trigger event I will select this form submission created. Okay, and I will click on continue. Now here it is asking to select the interface, so there is only one interface, that is form interface. You can change the name also, but I will keep for the demo purpose. Okay, so select the form and then select the page. So there is only one page and the page name is page, so I'm selecting this one, and you have to select the form. So in this page there is only one form which is listed here, so select this one and click on continue. Now if I click on test trigger, then here you can see a new form submission record has been appeared. Okay, now if I click this, then here you can see a sample data is showing, like first name, last name, email, phone and message. Okay, now if you want, then we can submit it from here also. Let me submit. So this is my first name, this is my last name, this is my email ID, and this is the phone. Okay, and here in message I will write this is a dummy message, and when I click on submit, then you can see form submitted. Now if I click find new records here, then here you can see there is one more record appeared here, form submission B. If I select this one, then here you can see the email, name, phone number and message is coming, which I just submitted from here. Okay, so next I will click on continue with the selected record, and in action I will select a filter, and in filter I will select this one and I will select email. Okay, email is a required field, so I will check if email exists in the response, then only create a contact in Keap and opportunity. Okay, so here I will select the condition exist, and if I click continue, then you can see we can go further. So click continue. Now here I will select search Keap. Now this is the Keap app. Now here in action I will select contact, create or update contact, and in account I will select this account. I have already added my Keap account here. Okay, so I have selected my account, and when I click on continue, then here we have to check select or fill the required fields. So this is the required field, check for duplicate using, so I will check using email only, and here we have to fill the email ID. So here I will search for email, and this is the email address which is received in the trigger step. Okay, and here in opt-in I will tick on true. Here I will put last name, and here I will use first name, okay, and let me fill the phone number, okay. So scroll below, okay, so here you can see phone one number. Now here I will click here and search for phone. So here you can see this is the phone number. Now all the required field are now filled. Now if I click on continue and I will click on test step, here you can see the success response with an ID and all the details of the contact, which means the contact is successfully created in the Keap account, okay. If we want to check, then this is my Keap account where I already logged in, and here if I reload and search the contact using the email ID, then here you can see this is the contact which is just created from the Zap, okay, with the phone number and email ID, okay. Now in this contact I will create a new opportunity using Zapier. Now if I click for a new action and if I search Keap, and in Keap action I will search for opportunity, then here you can see there is no opportunity action, there is no create opportunity action here in Keap, okay. So how to create opportunity in for this contact in Keap CRM using Zapier? So we can create using Webhook tool, because Keap already provides a REST API. Here you can see this is the REST API documentation of how to create an opportunity, okay. So we need to send a post request to this URL along with the body and API key. So how to do this, let me show you. So here I will delete this step, and here we will take Webhook. So here you can see this is the inbuilt tool of Zapier. So I will select this Webhook, and in action event I will select this custom request. Now I will click on continue. Now here in method I will use post method, because in docs you can see this is the post. We need to send a post request to create an opportunity, okay. So I have selected here post. Now in URL we have to use this URL, so just copy and paste here. Now here in data pass through I will select false, and in data we have to pass the fields which we want to use in our opportunity. So this contact ID is a required field, so we will get from this step, okay, and this opportunity title and stage ID is required, okay. So let me come here, and so in data we have to send a JSON formatted data, okay. So here I will just use this curly bracket, and here I will write contact, and then inside contact will be an object, and inside this contact object there will be one field ID, and here we have to map the ID, okay. So here we will search for ID, contact ID. So this is the step where we have created the contact in Keap. So this is the ID of the contact, select this one, and then I will come here and copy this field opportunity title, and I will paste it here. Now in opportunity title we will use first name and last name. So here I will search name, so I will get the name from here. So this is the first name and this is the last name, and we can concatenate with any string. So I will concatenate with the opportunity, TUNITY, opportunity. Okay, now I will also use one more field, which is opportunity notes. Okay, this is an optional field, so we can omit this, but I will keep here opportunity notes. And in opportunity notes I will use message field. So if I search here message field, then here we have already received this message in response. And one more field is required, which is stage ID. Okay, so here I will use stage, and this will be an object. So here I will pass ID, and here I will pass a static ID. Okay, now this is the request body. You can also pass any other field if you want, but for the demo purpose I will pass all the required fields only. Okay, now in headers we have to pass some headers like content type. So here I will write content type, and content type will be application/JSON. And then I will also use accept, and in accept also use same application/JSON. Now one more, which is most important, that is Keap API key. Okay, and here we have to put the API key. Okay, so from where we get the API key, so let me show you. Come here to the Keap, and here from here click on this profile icon and click on this API settings. From here just go below in this service account keys section and click on add key here. Now here I will write Zapier for Zapier demo. Okay, and here I will click on authorize. Now this is the API key. Just click on copy and click on close. Now here I will paste the API key. Okay, so all done. Now let's click on continue and click on test step. Okay, now here you can see the success response. It means the opportunity is created. Now let's check again here, documents @thehidden.com. just open this contact and go below to opportunity section. Now here you can see a new opportunity has been created with the name Hiren Patel opportunity. And if we click on edit, then here this is the stage and this is the opportunity notes. Okay, so this is how we can use a webhook to send an HTTP request directly from Zapier. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked, then please like this video and share this video, and also subscribe my channel. Thanks.